So let's see what is the guidance for today. If you, as usual, call on your divine, call on the angels, archangels, and say, I want to know which card is guided for me today. So if it is number one, then this is the one. If it is number two, then this is the one. So if it is number one, then let's see what the card has come. Oh, it's a beautiful card. It's a rings card. Now usually this card has come many times for me when I do a reading and there is a chance of marriage or engagement happening, or there is a partnership which comes in store, or there's a business partnership which will be good. So because moreover it is basically a commitment or a partnership between two people, a contract getting signed. So today, those of you all who are trying to start a new venture, I would say yes, go by it, go with it and start a new venture. Those who are planning to propose your the love of your life, please go ahead and propose. It's a beautiful day for commitment. And overall, I would say, if you have decided to start anything, invest in anything, or do something beneficial for your near future, then today is the day to do. And if you're planning to tie up with someone for partnership, then don't look back. It's a beautiful card. Now coming to the card 2. So if this is card 2, okay, now this is the most beautiful card. The most beautiful card in the sense, the clovers basically brings luck, happiness, and joy. Whatever you do today is going to be successful. Whatever you do today is going to be beneficial, is going to bring in profit. If you're expecting a growth, promotion, then yes, the day is yours. This is basically a symbol where it means abundance is coming all your way in whatever you desire, be it relationship, be it love, be it career, whatever you desire today. Basically, when this card comes, then it's a beautiful card. Though when this card comes with a negative card, they say, for example, if it comes with this Keith, it says it's an end of abundance. But here it's come as a ring. Even if you take both cards, for some people two cards come together. So even if you take it as both cards, again it's a day of abundance and beautiful energies. So have an amazing day, all of you, and may God bless you with loads and loads of abundance. Thank you.